What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video and we are at the shop. You can see the beast is getting on the dyno right now. I'm going to show you how much the Cts-V makes to the wheel with no edits, no nothing. We're going to go straight to the numbers. You guys are going to see it firsthand. Lock in, hit that subscription button. This car goes in for work on Saturday. So we're gonna do some befores, then we're gonna get a video later on down the road for afters. Let's go. So while they get it hooked up, I'm gonna show you around the shop. Again, this is the shop that has done every single one of my cars. I trust them with my life. I trust them with the car. And if you wanna go fast, this is where to go. Mass acceleration. I'll pause so you can see the number. 828-548-0432. Ask for G, ask for Devin, ask for John. As you can see, we're gonna go through a few of the cars. And now we go into the shop, show you what is going on. There's always something going on. There's always a Hellcat, there's always a Camaro, there's always a resto mod. You see a nice pulley upgrade, intake, resto mod. I think this is the turbo or the twin turbo Camaro. Yep, the twin turbo Camaro they've been doing. I can't tell you guys about this one yet, but if you know what body that is an all-wheel drive car. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So if you know anything about Mopar, I'll let you guys guess what that's gonna turn into. And by the end of this week, that car will be done. Hellcat motors everywhere. 1100 horsepower tracked C7. A brand new wide body Charger, picked up 120 or 130 horsepower off the stage 1 package. So it's looking at 750 to the wheel. And then the beast itself. Number 2 just went down. We got 548 to the wheel on the first run. We're gonna see what the second one had right now. Now we're looking at 540, and hopefully you guys can hear me. But one, these things heat soak like crazy. 2, the blower is small. There is nothing done to this car that's crazy. I think it's a 1.7 liter blower compared to most Hellcat blowers, which are a lot larger. Overall, that's still good power to the wheels. The car is fun, but I'm really ready for the after for this car. We're gonna let it cool down and do one more. So we're letting the car cool off. I have a intake, a DSX lid, or a DSX tuning lid. I'm sorry for the fan. Then I have a 2.3 pulley. It is a little rich on the tune. Again, this was bought already like this. The DSX lid gives it, watched a video, it showed about 7 horsepower. And then your pulley kind of just depends. They run around 515 stock. And for an LT4, with this being a 4,100 pound car, loses a lot through the drivetrain. But what's being done to this, we're gonna amp it up a whole lot for a daily driver Cts-V. Not too bad. You guys saw pull number 3 with it cooled down, and we hit 563 to the wheel, which is not bad, again, for your LT4 platform. To let you guys in on a little secret, G and John, again, have taken care of me for a long time with almost every car. Living overseas has been somewhat difficult to get my cars in here and get them worked on because they are super busy. Obviously, when you're a good shop, you become very busy. And one of the things I want to show you guys here in a second, why they're busy. But we are going to be doing a headers, a ported blower by Kong, the Port X, the 103 millimeter throttle body. We'll probably get a new intake because that one's fairly old, and heat exchangers. All of those things that keep the blower healthy and at good temperature for the power. As you can see, there's a lot of power loss with heat soak on these LT4s. So I'm looking to make somewhere above the 600 range in a daily driver Cts-V. The sound will be crazy once you port that blower. You guys are gonna see, G and Devin are gonna handle the video for me. Shout out to you guys. But those are your 3 pulls. That's how much you would make in a Cts-V. Let me know what you think. What would you do if you own your Cts-V? So you can see, like I said, no edits to the video, no pauses. Car's still on the dyno. That's how much. And they have a bunch of cars at the shop getting ready to be built. We have a nice RT. We have a Z01 that I believe the engine is out of right now that they're actually currently working on. A nice SRT Jeep, a Hellcat, Corvette, G's, I about call it the wrong thing, Pro Charge 6.2 small block, another Hellcat, a twin turbo. If you know, you know. That's a car that you have no idea. Got a nice Pro Charged SRT8 Scat Pack. And I know they have more cars elsewhere.